Hello everyone! Thank you for joining Sun Farm channel. Today we'll dive deep into the world of the most valuable marine creatures, lobsters, to explore why a company specializing in lobster production and export can generate enormous revenue every week. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now to not miss any exciting journeys with Sun Farm. Amidst the picturesque scenery of the Maine Coast, where traditions and modernity converge, a silent giant is gradually awakening. Maine, the leading lobster production and export company in the region, processes over 58.6 million pounds every week. The company not only preserves traditional methods, but also employs the latest advanced technologies, turning the production process into an impressive technological showcase. From the moment lobsters roam freely in the deep blue sea, to when they become prized delicacies on lavish dining tables, every step reflects Maine's dedication and environmental responsibility commitment. Join us in exploring this fascinating process and understanding more about the economic power and importance of the maritime industry here. The name lobster is widely used across the world, and in fact, there are linguistic differences depending on languages and regions. Lobsters, with their sharply defined exoskeletons and sturdy claws, are symbols of vigorous life beneath the ocean floor. They move gracefully among rock crevices, displaying a variety of colors from green to reddish brown, creating a majestic scene under the ethereal light of the deep sea. The lobster's large round eyes always exude sophistication, seemingly never missing any movement around them. Despite their rugged appearance, lobsters still maintain a unique beauty, with their intricately designed shells resembling nature's artwork, becoming even more radiant with each molt. The richness of this species is not only the ocean's pride, but also a precious gift bestowed upon humans by nature. What do you usually call them? Share your thoughts with everyone. The coastal region of Cape Cod, known as the paradise of North Atlantic green lobsters, never fails to enchant anyone who has ever beheld it. Here, the crystal-clear waters and stretches of fine white sand have created a captivating natural landscape, where coral reefs resemble castles beneath the ocean floor, concealed beneath the pristine water. Lobsters, with their distinctive green exoskeletons, hide among rocky crevices and caves, creating a mystical scene. They thrive, enjoying abundant food sources from the ocean, ranging from ephemeral creatures to small fish. The richness of the ecosystem here not only provides an ideal home for lobsters, but also attracts numerous tourists and marine researchers, all eager to witness and explore the diverse life beneath the ocean's surface. When heading out to sea for lobster fishing, besides having a strong and confident mindset about bringing back valuable lobsters, fishermen need to meticulously prepare each tool and equipment to ensure safety and efficiency on every voyage. Firstly, they need sturdy lobster traps designed to withstand the pressure of the sea and the resistance of strong currents. These traps are often weighted to sink deep into the ocean floor, where lobsters typically live and hide. Additionally, fishermen equip themselves with specialized waterproof and cold-resistant clothing, enabling them to work in the harsh weather conditions of the open sea. Ropes and buoys are also essential, used to anchor and mark the positions of the traps on the sea surface. Finally, modern positioning and communication systems help them accurately track their own position and that of the traps, while ensuring communication with other vessels or the coastline in case of emergencies. These thorough preparations not only enhance the safety of fishermen, but also optimize the chances of successful harvests from the open sea. Do you enjoy the feeling of preparing everything thoroughly before doing something? Sun believes that with proper preparation, we can be confident, and that confidence will bring great success. Do you know the best time of year for lobster fishing? Let's share it with everyone. The best time for lobster fishing usually falls in the autumn months, when the sea begins to cool down, and lobsters start moving closer to the shore to search for food. This is when lobsters are fattest and tastiest, with their new shells being firm and meat being firm. As the water temperature drops, lobsters from deep and cold waters will move into shallower waters, creating favorable conditions for fishermen to set traps. Clean sea environments and weak currents are also important factors, helping to maintain abundant food sources for lobsters and facilitating fishing. In particular, monitoring natural signs such as the appearance of small fish is also a clever tactic, as these are the favorite food of lobsters. These favorable conditions make autumn the golden time for bountiful sea trips. In addition, baiting to catch lobsters is extremely important. To catch lobsters, fishermen often use a highly effective type of bait, reflecting a deep understanding of their eating habits. The bait commonly used is small fish or parts of larger fish, such as heads or bones, as they emit a strong, enticing scent underwater, attracting lobsters from their hiding places deep within rocky crevices or caves. Fishermen carefully attach this bait to the trap, ensuring that the aroma spreads widely enough to lure lobsters closer. Choosing and preparing bait is not just a simple part of the trapping process, but also an art, requiring experience and specialized knowledge to understand lobsters' favorite foods. As a result, trap efficiency is significantly increased, helping fishermen harvest more lobsters, thereby enhancing productivity and economic efficiency in the fishing industry. If you were a lobster fisherman, how would you like your lobsters? If you prefer giant lobsters, then leave a comment. 1. And Sun has a note for you. When it comes to lobster fishing, regulations on weight and size are established strictly to protect the seafood source and ensure the sustainable development of this species. According to regulations, lobsters must reach a minimum size from head to tail of 3.25 inches, about 8.0 centimeters, aimed at ensuring that only mature and reproductive lobsters are caught. This helps maintain ecological balance and the genetic diversity of the lobster population. Furthermore, catching lobsters with eggs is strictly prohibited. Female lobsters carrying eggs are usually carefully marked and released back into the sea to hatch their eggs. These regulations not only help protect the lobster population in the wild, but also contribute to educating the fishing community about the importance of conserving marine resources. As mentioned earlier today, Sun will introduce to you the reasons why Maine Lobster Company has a large revenue within a week. So let's follow Sun to learn about this company right now. Lobster is not only a premium dish on the dining table, but also an incredibly rich source of nutrients, offering significant health benefits. First and foremost, lobster is a high-protein source, with abundant protein content but low fat, making it suitable for diets or those engaged in exercise regimes needing protein supplementation without weight gain. Additionally, lobsters are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health, aiding in cholesterol reduction and cardiovascular health support. Lobsters also contain various vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, niacin, iron, and zinc, supporting metabolism, enhancing immune function, and maintaining skin and hair health. Moreover, lobsters are known for their high calcium and phosphorus content, contributing to the development and protection of strong bones. These significant benefits make lobster not only a delicious choice, but also an essential part of a healthy diet. Thanks to these strengths and benefits, Maine Lobster Company has thrived as it does today. Maine Coast is one of the leading producers and exporters of lobsters in the United States, renowned for its commitment to delivering the freshest and highest quality lobster products to both domestic and international markets. Situated in the heart of the rich coastal regions of Maine, the company has developed an optimal lobster catching and processing process, ensuring that each lobster reaching the hands of consumers retains its freshness and distinctive flavor. Maine Coast is not only a symbol of purity and quality, but also exemplary in applying sustainable methods to protect seafood resources and the marine environment. The trust and priority that customers place in Maine Coast stem not only from the products they provide, but also from the social and environmental responsibility that the company continuously strives to fulfill. At Maine's lobster processing plant, a meticulous and scientific lobster processing procedure is carried out to ensure the highest quality products reach consumers. Upon arrival from fishing trips, lobsters undergo thorough health and size checks. Standardized lobsters are carefully cleaned, removing inedible parts, and rinsed under cold water to preserve the freshness of the meat. Next, lobsters are boiled in large saltwater pots with tightly controlled time and temperature to ensure even cooking while retaining their distinctive flavor. This quick boiling process not only preserves the nutrients in the lobster, but also facilitates easy separation of the meat from the shell, convenient for further processing steps. Subsequently, lobsters are rapidly chilled in a specialized cooling system to inhibit bacterial growth and preserve the meat under optimal conditions. Once adequately chilled, lobsters are meticulously packaged in high-quality packaging capable of preserving freshness, ready for export or distribution to restaurants and food stores worldwide. The processing process at Maine's plant not only focuses on product quality, but also strictly adheres to food safety regulations, ensuring that every lobster product reaching consumers is safe and delicious. Maine lobster, a symbol of luxury and the taste of the sea, has become one of the most popular delicacies in the global market. Harvested from the cold waters of the Atlantic Ocean, Maine lobster is renowned for its smooth, sweet flesh and distinctive green shell, offering an unforgettable, delicate flavor. The most popular and beloved way to enjoy it is steamed or boiled, preserving the natural sweetness of the lobster meat, then served with a little melted butter and a few drops of fresh lemon. This perfect combination has made Maine lobster an indispensable dish at elegant parties, upscale seafood restaurants worldwide, and even during festive occasions, contributing to enriching the map of international cuisine. At Maine Coast Company, a pioneering figure in the U.S. lobster production and export industry, an impressive production scale has been established, leaving a strong mark on the global market. With processing facilities strategically located along the coast of Maine, the company processes over 58.6 million pounds of lobster every week, with each catch and processing closely supervised to ensure optimal quality. Modern technology lines, from refrigeration systems to automated packaging equipment, help maintain the freshness of lobster during transportation worldwide. Not only stopping at massive production levels, Maine Coast also stands out with a commitment to sustainability, from using renewable energy to recycling programs and waste reduction. The combination of large-scale and high responsibility has helped Maine Coast become not only a formidable name in the seafood industry, but also a revered business model. With impressive weekly revenues exceeding 58.6 million British pounds, Maine Coast has established itself as a leader in the lobster production and export industry. Founded on a passion for the sea and a commitment to high-quality products, the company continuously enhances its lobster farming and processing techniques. This includes ensuring an ideal living environment for the lobsters and employing advanced handling methods to preserve the fresh taste of the product. Maine Coast not only focuses on the domestic market, but also extends to international markets, where their lobsters are highly regarded for their quality and distinctive flavor. Maine Coast's success demonstrates that by maintaining high standards in every aspect of production and distribution, a business can achieve global reach and remarkable accomplishments. Lobster quality at Maine Coast is not just a production standard, but also a commitment to both customers and the environment. The company has earned global trust by providing fresh, safe, and high-quality lobsters. Maine lobsters are prized for their freshness, firm texture, and rich natural flavor, thanks to sustainable fishing practices and modern preservation technology. Maine Coast adheres strictly to environmental standards, from responsible fishing methods to the implementation of advanced technologies that minimize impact on the marine ecosystem. They are also committed to sustainable production strategies, such as waste recycling and the use of renewable energy, to ensure that every process, from fishing to processing, contributes to the conservation of marine resources and environmental protection. As a result, Maine Coast is not only a leading lobster supplier, but also a model of sustainable development in the industry. At Maine Coast, the lobster export process is conducted with high professionalism and precision. Each step in the export chain is designed to ensure that the lobsters reach consumers in the best condition possible. After being caught from the clean, cold waters of Maine, the lobsters are immediately transported to the company's modern processing facilities. Here, they undergo thorough screening, and only those that meet specific size and health standards are selected for export. The lobsters are then packed in foam boxes with gel ice to maintain the ideal temperature throughout their journey, protecting them from external environmental impacts and preserving their fresh taste. Customs procedures are handled quickly and transparently, thanks to long-standing strong relationships with regulatory authorities. Finally, the lobsters are shipped worldwide by air, ensuring the quality of the product when it reaches the customer. This rigorous and professional export process is key to Maine Coast's solid reputation in the international market. I hope today's video has given you a better understanding of lobsters and the company Maine. Sun wishes you success in your lobster-related endeavors, whether it's opening a restaurant or starting a lobster production company. Please share this video with everyone around you. We, at Sun Farm, would like to express our heartfelt thanks to everyone who has continuously supported and stood by us over time. Your trust and support are invaluable motivations that help us continue to develop and provide high-quality products, protect the environment, and serve the community. We look forward to your continued enthusiastic support in our future journey. Let's move forward with Sun Farm so we can create sustainable values together and contribute to a greener, cleaner future for the next generation. Thank you sincerely, and we hope to continue receiving your support.